Hello, it's me. Yeah, you again. Ano, lagyan kita ng blue, para alam ko kung sino yung laging nandito sa akin. From India. Hello, Chinay Adventure. Ang dami. Late ba ako? Late ba ako magbasa? Guwapa ka man. Hindi eh. Traveling TV. Belle, are you ready to meet the man of your dream? I don't think so. I really like the woman who manage skin like you. Really? Yes, I like to come visit you. I'm from Malaysia. You not see my chat? I see. I see Arnold. Guwapa ka man. Dili lagi. Portuguese. Beautiful, wonderful. Thank you. Thank you, Carlos. Rodel Villaros. Hello. Good evening. Your body will smell like flowers. Thank you. Hello, my friend. How are you? Akaito! Welcome back again in my life. You always here, ha? Thank you so much. Uy, ang liit ko pero ang laki ng damit ko. Charot. Malait. Bilis naman pumayat. Feeling lang, no? Feeling. Feeling lang talaga. Or tali ko na lang. Para hindi ako magmukhang mataba. Pinagkakamalan kasi ako, guys, na pregnant daw ako. Oh my God. Sabi ko, I'm not a pregnant. Duh. Arte. Hello, I like you, Rodel Villaros. You like me? Why you like me? You like me. You like me. See, so many people like me. I get a special treatment for you. Lovely skin. Really? Thanks. May know what's a part in your Philippines? Quezon City. Quezon City, Manila. Quezon City, Philippines. Quezon City, Philippines. Yeah, it's Quezon City, Philippines. Oh, you're driving me nuts. Putting on my eyes. You are so sexy. Late ko ba nabasa tong mga to? Or lag ako? I have one. Hindi ako taga Laguna. Hi, Kulas. Why don't you tie it back? O nga, no? Nakapura sa back. That's right. You have a point. You have a point. Ano ba? Sorry, I tie in my back. I'm from Philippines. Oh, Tagalog ka naman. Baka naman. Nahihirapan ako mag-English dito. I think it will show your beauty well. Okay. Babe, how are you? Good. Sunny, oh wow, hello, good evening. Sige na nga. Caramel was scared of your feet. Was going to get sick yesterday. No, it's okay, I'm fine. They had no clothes on. I was worried about your pinky clothing. Dry all na may pinky to daw. Funny, Hi, Caramel. Hi! You show big tits. What tits? Can I do magic with you? Yeah, sure. How can you show me? How would you show me some magic? Okay. What kind of magic do you have? Do you know pala? Do you know? Can I do magic? Elsa Vlog Beach. Good evening.